What do I have here? This is my pre-match care package. Of course, I've got my boots, it's game day. What else do I have in my bag? Wine gums, an energy gel, an electrolyte drink, a caffeine shot, a banana, and of course a big bottle of water. Why? Well, because I'm gonna have my pre-match 3 to 4 hours before kickoff. So if my kickoff is 3 p.m, I'm gonna aim to have my pre-match meal 11 to 12. Now that's a 3 to 4 hour wait before kickoff and I'm gonna get hungry. I make sure that I bring easily digestible foods. Wine gums, can't beat some jellies before the game, can't beat a banana. This Fuel 90 energy gel from Soccer Supplement has got carbs in it, so it's going to help top up my energy levels pre-match and also at half time. I usually have half and half. Electrolyte sachet, I break this into my water and I sip this from the moment I get up right until kickoff. It helps stop cramp. And the secret weapon, Focus 90 caffeine shot. This 30 to 45 minutes before the game, take it in one go and I have the caffeine hit that I need to make sure I'm laser focused for the game.